Everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Yale door lock. Firstly, secure the strike plate to the door frame using the provided screws and insert the latch into the door while the retracted and unlocked position. Adjust the latch length if needed for 2 and 3 1/8 inches and adjust to 2 if required. Ensure the UP arrow on the latch is facing upwards and secure the latch with provided latch screws. Align the exterior touchscreen keypad flush against the door and carefully guide the cables underneath the latch to prevent pinching. Hold the keypad into place as you proceed to the next step and remove the battery cover and the interior mounting plate, then feed the cable assembly through the cable hole in the mounting plate. Ensure the plate is flush and straight before securing it with the 2 long through bolts. Now, connect the cables to the white connector, ensuring that the 2 white ridges on the cable are facing toward you and the cable fits under the hook for proper alignment. Place inside the lock assembly onto the door and ensure that the tailpiece aligns with the thumb burn shaft inside the lock. Secure the lock using 2 mounting screws and 1 screw at the bottom of the lock. Turn the interior thumb turn several times to ensure smooth lock-in. If the thumb turn does not operate correctly, recheck and ensure the tailpiece is properly aligned. Just insert a smart module above the battery compartment and ensure it clicks securely. Install batteries, follow the Yale Smart Lock setup instructions, and test the touchscreen's keypad for smooth entry and lock-in. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.